This is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim, powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with running boards down below, as well as the Sport Appearance package, giving you color-matched front and rear bumpers, door handles, unique rims. But let's take a look inside. And looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with a full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as 2 more in the middle with a 12-volt USB and USB-C, 120-volt power outlet, and heated rear outboard seats. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck information, towing information, navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, including My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, lane keeping system, and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation so you hopefully won't get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, camera view again, park assist sensor shut off, hazards, traction control shut off, and you have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto, locking rear differential, and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow, haul, eco, and sport mode. Then moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet. Down here, you have this compartment with a USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad, so you can throw your phone on there. Then you've got your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, as well as collapse it out of the way for more open space. And you've got 2 cup holders, as well as your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including a USB and USB-C. And then, last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.